will learn how to make a polyline from the circle. So first at of all, we will make circle and give 300 radius or whatever you want. So we will reduce the size of this like this. Okay, this is the circle. So if you select this circle, you will see the property of the circle, and you can't change of the properties of this. So we type bo like the boundary command, pick point, enters like this. Select this. Now it will convert it into polyline. So we will change the color red and here enter B enter or move like you can move. Okay, move this circle. Now this is circle and here is a circle property and this is our polyline and this is the polyline properties. So we can change the properties of the polylines like the global width like this. So I hope you will like this.